Hi everyone. Well, at last I finished this journal, Atlas Botanica. It's taken me a lot of time because I had 2 weddings and lockdown, of course, and all that goes with that. And so I've just been doing other things instead of concentrating on finishing the journal. But anyway, it's done now and I'm very pleased with it. So I'm just going to run through it with you because I don't know about you, but I like looking through finished journals. It just gives me inspiration and little ideas that I can fit in my journals when I look through other people's. So I hope you enjoy it. There's a lot to look at, so I'm just going to go through page by page. This is a little tag I've made with the Atlas Botanica collection and just mounted it on some more card. A little pocket there with some of the background papers. I rather like this start to the signature. Made these tags way back in the summer now, and these botanical slides. I fitted in some pages from various books that I've got. I rather like this one with a dragonfly and plenty of space for journaling, which is quite nice. More tags here with a belly band and a frill. I added some charms. This I've shown on a previous video. It's the cabinet of curiosities, and you open up to the cabinet drawer, which I rather like there. I've added some feathers. Some more journaling space. And then these are waxed papers that I used to press flowers. So you can see the imprint here and the dye from the flowers. And it mirrors the image that's underneath of the dandelion seed. So I put those two together. I rather like that. Some more pockets here, and this one I made a little like a seed packet, and I've got a laminated flower in there. That fits rather nicely in there. There's a little envelope here that I made on previous video, and it looks rather nice on the other side there. This is a larger envelope that I've made. I put some script on there just for some journaling space. Some more cards. Lots of journaling space in here. And lots of images for inspiration. And this is a washi tape that I made earlier, so that fitted in nicely there. And the glycine bag with the imprint of the passion flower from the summer. Some more pockets and tags. I made a little notebook to go with it. I love this fabric. Thought it went really well. And I just added some papers in there. Another little envelope down there. I stuck that bee there. This is a little pocket I've made out of some a page from a encyclopedia. So that's the first signature. And this is from a masterboard that I made, just collaging images that I had. I love that image on, and then I've got dried leaves on there as well. And I made this little note pad in there, some more tags, and then more botanical slides. This was just a little bit of extra that I cut off the this pocket, and it fitted on there quite nicely. And some more of the pages from the kit, and I've stuck some card on there. That's a lovely page, I love that one. More belly bands for writing and journaling, some charms. Here's one of the envelopes. And some more tags. And this, I love putting this in the in journals because you can draw over it and scribble on it. It's quite nice. These are pressed flowers that I had from the summer and on the waxed paper, so I've left those on there. And then some, well, I pressed some flowers on there, so some nice imprints, and I've just put some script on over the top. Nice page for journaling. And some tickets, more tags. That's a little envelope again that I've shown you in the previous video. Another one there, just some extra writing space. There's one of the plants that I pressed, the lavender. Another slide. There's a up pocket there, and I've put some tags on the page. This is a 3 pocket. There's room there to put more tags in. These wax papers are lovely with the petals left on them. And some frills I've made. Some more tags with a fern. And more pockets from the kit. And tags. Lots of space for journaling. And another little envelope there. More tags. This is a pressed flower, which I've done on a previous video. And there we are. That's the finish. Atlas Botanica. So I'm really, really pleased with it. And I'm going to add more to it, and I'm going to write in this one, and I think I'll sort of just journal what I see in the garden and thoughts about nature. So I'm really looking forward to using it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at it, and if you have, then please press the subscribe button and come back when we'll be doing some more crafting and journaling together. Okay, bye for now.